Okay.
Well, hi. Hi, I'm Katie Snap.
And I'm Carol White.
We're here to talk to you today about skirt studies or feminine leadership skills.
Feminine leadership in the 21st century, it's a little different than it's been in years past.
But we don't get credit for it very often.
We don't, and if you're in a very male-dominated field,
You're
then
outnumbered.
you are outnumbered.
You're outnumbered.
And they tend to appreciate skill sets, the male skill sets, competitiveness, etc., more these days than necessary.
Okay, so we've written a course that helps us emphasize our feminine leadership skills rather than repressing them by identifying at least 16 of them that we feel have good research behind them that women do naturally, and that does not include cooking and cleaning and making beds for people.
That does not.
That doesn't really belong at work.
Neither one of us are terribly good at any of those.
I hire somebody to do it. No,
Yeah.
I wish I did, but and we deliver them in a way that's an online course that you can practice. We challenge you a little bit. You get some weekly assignments, and through an online method, you can track it. You can do it with others. You can do it with your book club. You can do it with your girlfriends, or you can do it alone.
You can, and it's downloadable, so every week you get a new lesson, and we're putting together videos and audios so that you can follow along and hear what's going on for us, and hopefully we'll get to hear from you too.
So we made it affordable for everyone, hoping that it'd be something that we could build upon. We create an online network and maybe some communities here and there, and it'll go from there. I hope you guys start with us and continue, help us build it.
Absolutely. We have a website, skirtstudies.com, and we also have a Facebook page, so we really want you to friend us, fan us,
Skirt Studies, yay.
tweet us, Twitter us.
I don't know.
It's feminine.
I just follow it. Oh, that's probably a good place to end for now.
Yes.
Keep in touch with us, and we hope you join. Take care.